Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video shows students how to edit their profile and change their password. So let's get started. First, log into your account with your email or username or your key code. Once you have logged in, click the arrow next to your name and click Account. If you need to change your email, username, or your first and last name, click Edit Profile. Type your new information into the correct box, and then click Save. If you need to change your password, click Change Password. Type your current password, then type your new password twice. Your password must be at least 8 characters. If you would like to see what you have typed, click the eye icon. Then click Save. If you log in with an email, you can also control the notifications you receive. To the right, use these buttons to control what emails you would like to get. These include general emails from Ellii, emails about new assignments, and emails about new feedback from your teacher. That's it for this video on how to edit your student profile. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy learning!
Ellii.